My name is Maimuna Kasi. I am from Kenya. This is my mom, Kaltuma Adan. We came here to seek for specialized medical treatment. My mom has been suffering with her knees over 2 years, and in Kenya we got some treatment, but we later been referred to India, and we are truly blessed because someone, a family member, referred us to Asian Institute of Medical Science, and we are truly blessed because we have been delivered and received well by the management of the hospital and the staffs. We have been referred to Dr Deepak Mishra, orthopedic doctor, with his orthopedic team. He did a total knee replacement on my mom, and it was very successful. And he successfully did total knee replacement for both knees. I say thank you so much, Dr Deepak, and may God bless the entire Asian Institute team. Thank you so much.
We have Mrs. Kaltuma. She is from Kenya. She was suffering with pain in her both knees and she was not able to walk because of her pain. She contacted our hospital and came here. She was operated upon her both knees. 1 month back, we have done robotic bilateral total knee replacement for her both knees. Her post-operative period was uneventful. She was given physiotherapy and she has been doing extremely well in terms of pain and mobility following her surgery.